Okay, so this is the structure that I've actually shown you. Is pretty straightforward and self-explanatory. Multiple company codes, but multiple company codes, for example, a company can have another company code can have, for example, it's in euro. Okay, can it become part of controlling area? Yes, it could if condition 1, fiscal year variant, which is July to June or calendar year January to December or April March. If this is same for all company codes plus chart of accounts. Chart of accounts is group of accounts or collection of accounts, okay, is the same. So if company codes, for example, financial year variant is JJ, July to June. So every company code, either in reporting in dirhams, company code in Europe is dealing in euro, or any other, it will have the same fiscal year variant, it is July to June. And group of accounts, let's say it is PU1N, or let's say this is the chart of account, for example. So every company code will have this chart of account and this fiscal year so that it can be integrated controlling area. So let's start our configuration. Let's go to, and yes, this is our front end SAP. We'll be starting with accounting, and first we'll start with financial accounting and master data of general ledger, because master data will be the backbone and it is basically serving as the starting point. So GL master data is the fundamental unit. So we will create our own company code and chart of accounts, account groups. This will be our focus right now. So we'll start with configuration and then SPRO. This is our first node.
सब कुछ मुझे रेडी करना होगा, नया बनाना होगा। मैं कह रहा हूँ कि ये तो मुझे याद ठीक है
Okay.
Okay.
T code SPRO, SAP reference IMG. This is implementation guide. Okay, now this is the configuration node. First is enterprise structure, as we discussed. Organization, enterprise, manufacturing. The basic unit starts with enterprise structure. So in enterprise, we have to define what? We have to define company. Definition, financial accounting, define company. Okay.
Okay.
New entries. Okay, let's say Pune group of industries, Pune PNU1. Measure the street 3595. 3595, city Abu Dhabi, country AE, language ke English, USD. Okay. This is company in
city Abu Dhabi or currency USD.
we will be using, I'll tell you why. Well, I'll tell you later why we are using this. Okay.
Okay.
Just a second. Let me see what I have configured. In U1, or let's say Let's keep it Pune Group. Create new request. Pune Group. If I am an ABAP, Harun. Okay, we made the top note company. Okay. Now
Okay.
check, edit, copy, delete. What we'll do, edit company code data, new entries, company code Pune. Now group UAE, Abu Dhabi, AE, currency AED, English, country AE. Okay. 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 Next step. Logistics. Okay. Define valuation level. What is valuation level? This is plant. Every time this is by default plant set by SAP. Valuation area is a plant. Okay. Next step is define check plant. Define plant. New entries. Pune. Same name. Pune plant. Sharjah. Sharjah. AE. Okay. Save. Define location. New entries. Plant is Pune. Location is Sharjah. Sharjah, Pune plant. Okay. AE. Enter. Sales organization. Define sales organization. New entries. Pune. Sales org. Currency AED. Plant Pune. Storage location SHJ. Okay. Save. Okay, it does not exist. We'll delete it. Enter. Continue. AE. Save. Save. Okay, distribution channel. Let's keep it for another time. Material management, storage location, plant, Pune, new entries, SHJ, Sharjah, XB, Dubai, save, save. Okay, purchase organization, very important. New entries, Pune, purchase org, save, enter. Okay, this is done. Definition, assignment, financial accounting, assign company code to company. Very easy. All is very straightforward. Position, Pune, continue, Pune, save, save. Logistics, assign plant to company code, new entries, Pune, 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 Pune. Okay. Next is sales distribution, assign sales org to company code. Pune, Pune, save. Same name, synchronization. Easy. Material management, assign purchase organization to company code, Pune, and Pune, save, enter. Assign purchasing organization to plant. New entries, Pune, Pune, save, save. Okay. Next, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparation, edit chart of account list, new entries, Pune, agro, chart of accounts, maintenance language English, length of GL account number is 5, save, save. Assign company code to chart of accounts. Pune. So multiple companies can have the same chart of accounts. Pune. Okay. Save. Save. This company has no, make it Pune. So multiple company codes can have the same chart of accounts. Okay, define account group. 8842. Control Y. Control Y, Control C. And copy it here. Page down. Control Y. Control C. Okay. New entries. So what we'll do, Control C, Control Y, Control V, sorry. Oh, Pune, Pune, Pune. OBD4. Control Y, Control C. Enter. Pune. Okay. 80321. Save. Save. Okay. This is done. Last step. SPRO. General ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparations, defined retained earnings account, chart of accounts, Pune. X 20,000 will be our retained earnings account. Save, save. So end of our lecture, and we will go to SE10 to see what we have done today. Display. This is Pune Group, and this is what we have done. All this. Click on any, and it will take you to the configuration. Thank you. Thank you very much.